Changing the subtitle style on YouTube TV helps make captions easier to read, especially on different screen sizes or lighting conditions. You can adjust font size, color, background, and more. Here's how to customize subtitles on any device. Start by opening YouTube TV and playing any video. Subtitles must be visible for customization settings to appear. Tap the screen, or press up OK on your remote to bring up the video controls. Select the settings gear icon, then choose Subtitles CC. Turn on captions first by selecting a language. Now look for caption style or subtitle options. Depending on your device, you may be redirected to system-wide caption settings. On smart TVs and streaming devices, Roku, Fire Stick, Chromecast, Apple TV. Go to your device settings. Here you can change font size, font color background color, window opacity, text edge style, outline, shadow. On mobile devices, go to your phone system caption settings under Accessibility to adjust styles. Changes apply instantly across all YouTube TV videos. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe for more helpful YouTube TV guides.